Hi everyone, I'm Lorenzo Díez-Picazo, a second-year master student here at the Florence School of Transnational Governance, and today we will be attending the lecture on the future of the EU single market by Enrico Letta. To what extent do you think that today strengthening the single market is not only about politically cementing our union, but raising standards of living, achieving the green transition, and being able to compete with the US and China overall?
The term seems to be a very technical term, but in reality it's our life. Single market is the daily life of all the European citizens in terms of freedom to move, to establish their activity abroad in another European country, to have services coming from another country in a more competitive way. But the true question today is how to link the strengthening of the single market to the green transition.
How do we make fancier the whole discourse, the political narrative around the single market for SMEs and citizens?
The single market today is considered by many people and by many SMEs as a threat, not as an opportunity, because of many barriers, obstacles. This is why I would like in my report to give and to underline, to raise all the opportunities for SMEs that the single market renewed can give. And this is the only way, I think, to encourage people to go in the business, to create their own enterprise and to try to create jobs.
My main takeaways are the following. First, in a context in which there's going to be less and less state aid available for member states, the single market is going to be key. Let's think about all the financial possibilities that a stronger capital markets would bring for all companies across Europe, especially small and medium enterprises. The second takeaway is that, on the other hand, there is a need to bring the single market in the political agenda. And there is really a need to convince citizens that that is a good option for them.